Hello, I'm Matt.
And I'm Rob.
And we have the 2025 Bronco here in a beautiful eruption green. We're gonna be taking the top off today. So let's start off right now. We have behind panel number 1, we have these 1, 2, 3, and obviously our 4th is our, I don't even know what to call it.
Pull down clip.
Pull down clip?
Yeah, pull down.
All right, let's call it pull down clip. So pull down clip, 1, 2, 3, and Rob, would you mind popping on over? And it's always good to have a friend with you when taking off the top. It makes it a little easier for us. So come on over here, Rob.
All right.
So, 1.
Thank you, sir. I got it.
All right.
And as you will notice, they are very light.
Yes. Number 2.
Yes, sir. Got it.
That's 2 tops, 2 panels. Please excuse me.
And then 2 more pull downs.
2 more pull downs.
Go your way.
All right, let's go my way.
All right.
All right.
There you go,
And
buddy.
then up.
And over.
And over.
There you go.
All right.
So with every Bronco, you'll receive a toolkit so you can get off the top. It'll fit for any of these bolts back here to help you out.
Important that we put our bolts away so we don't lose them.
So right here, you're gonna have all the wiring for the brake lights, as well as the rear windshield wiper, as well as the fluid line right here. These will need to be removed for the top to come off, and they will be going right there when we take them off. So as you'll see, right here, this comes off nicely, and plug it in right onto there. And you'll see it just sits in. And then same thing for this one. See that little switch right there? This one's gonna be a little bit tougher to get off because it's a wiring harness. And then same thing with this one. We'll go right here.
World dominance.
Get it off.
All right, next now we're gonna take the last portion off. Rob's gonna give me a hand.
Absolutely.
What we'll do is there's gonna be seals under, rubber seal underneath. Sometimes you gotta give it like a little push up.
You'll hear it come off.
Yeah, and it's very important if you wanna take a look, Laura. Like when we took all these bolts out, sometimes all the time, you'll see these bolts right here, and you could spend all day loosening them. However, those are just pins that just line up the top from the body. So those are still there. So Rob, let's do it.
Yep.
All right, there we go. Oh gosh, there we go.
You're good.
All right. Okay, we're all done here with the 2025 Bronco. Stay tuned for more videos and product knowledge between the Rob and Matt Show.
Thank you, guys.